Hello everyone. Today we are going to use Morse code in Arduino. I'm Indian and I am fourth grade and I am studying in BBM Global in Bolinini Hillside. Now, before making it to Arduino, let's start with the brief history of Morse code. It was invented by an American arts professor Samuel Morse in 1844. So, you may think, why did arts professor wanted to make a Morse code machine, such a complex Morse code machine? Well, how did they make a Morse code? Before his wife was in a very bad situation, and the urgent news arrived very long after the incident happened. So this made him very frustrated and made this Morse code. He, this type of communication uses dashes and dots, and this is communicated with electronic pulses. This was this was further developed uh, by an another engineer called Alfred Wade. Mainly, this was used for the telegraph in the 20th century. Now, the common unit Morse code all around the world is called International Morse code. The length of a dot is 1 unit, a dash is 3 units, and a space between parts of the same letter is 1 unit. The space between letters are 3 units and the space between words are 7 units. Now let's go to the Arduino. The circuit of this circuit diagram is very simple. You can use a LED or a buzzer. That's your choice. This code in this code we use the pin 13 and the other variables are told already. The string, this is the input variable, and we are beginning the serial monitor. Then we are telling the serial monitor to tell we are what the input. After that, we want to check the if the serial if the if any input are there, then we want to turn it into uppercase, because in this program only uppercase is valid. Now I used a buzzer, so this is called beep word, and it wants to tell the one word, and it's the input. the and we want to delay for 4000 milliseconds. After that, we want how the space of a dot and like that, so on. Now we want the beep what I told previously is the code over here. After that, we don't want to make multiple methods, and that is a lot of work, so we use this case B case A, like that we used it. And another complex thing is we want to write dash beep dot beep and the delaying space. That's very complex. So what we made is we used this for loop and to make it very simple. If you just need to type what the code, finish the code. And let's start with the testing. So I have connected this uh, minus pin in the GND and the positive pin in the 13. Let's start testing. Let's verify if our code is correct. Now our code works.